There's our driveway. We had a tornado come through our neighborhood. See our house back in there. Driveway's totally blocked. Our house did not get hit, but trees fell down all around it.
Get this on video.
Behind the lower garage. See, trees are down every which way. It really twisted them up right here. Wow. These trees are all just snapped in half back there. I wonder if the tornado touched down right here. Incredible. Apparently the neighbors all have a lot of the neighbors have trees on their houses. Jeez. That was a clear path. The swing set under there somewhere. Just missed our deck. Just missed our house. It's a huge tree. Would have tipped a little bit more over toward the house, would have taken on our bedroom. Wow.